Hello everyone, welcome to session 5. In previous session, we discussed about how to find out the centroidal distance of T section, I section, L section and channel section. In this session, I am going to explain find the centroid of the lamina as shown in figure. This includes rectangle, semicircle and circle. Together I am going to explain how we are going to find out the center of gravity or centroid of the shown figure. I'll explain step by step. You can see from the lamina, this lamina includes three shapes. The first one is rectangle and second one is semicircle and circle. One that is the axis of reference. The first one ABC is the semicircle, then CDEA is the rectangular section and FGHI is the circle. The dimension of the rectangle is 100 mm into 80 mm. The diameter of the circle is 20 mm. The radius of semicircle is 40 mm. Now we'll see how to find out the y1, y2 and y3. Here the x value will be the same. We are going to find out only y bar. The components, first one is semicircle ABC. The area of semicircle is pi r square by 2, that is equal to pi into r is 40 mm, 40 square by 2. The area will become 2513.17 mm square. Now the second shape is rectangle ACDE. The area of the rectangle, length into breadth, 80 into 100 mm, that is equal to 8000 mm square. Now third one is circle FGHI. The area of circle pi d square by 4, that is equal to 314.16 mm square. Now the centroidal distance y from the reference axis 1 for semicircle. The formula for semicircle to find out the CG is 4r by 3 pi, already explained in previous slides. We are going to take reference as 1 axis 1 and the y value will become 100 plus 4r by 3 pi, that is equal to 100 plus 4 into 40 by 3 pi. So now the value of y1 is equal to 116.97 mm. You can see from the figure the reference axis is 1 from reference to the G of the semicircle is 116.97 mm. Now the second rectangle ACDE, the value of y2 is equal to, we already know, the formula is depth by 2, that is the depth of rectangle is 100 by 2 is equal to 50 mm. Now the circle, the y3 is equal to 100 mm from the reference of 1 Now the y bar is equal to a1 plus a1 a2 a1 y1 plus a2 y2. Here the this shape is hollow one. There is a hole. The circular thing is there is a hole in the lamina, so that's why we are going to put minus here. A1 y1 plus a2 y2 minus a3 y3 divided by a1 plus a2 minus a3. So the minus value will shows the removal of material. So that finally that will become the a1 y1 plus a2 y2 minus a3 y3 divided by a1 plus a2 minus a3. Substitute all the y and a values to the formula. Finally, the y bar is equal to 64.96 mm. Now, some MCQ for above sessions. We'll see one by one. The first one is the resultant of all the areas passes through a point in the body. This point is called dash. The options are A. Center of gravity, B. Lamina, C. Centroid, and D. Moment of inertia. The answer is option C. Centroid. The second question, the particles within equal area of lamina will have equal weights is called dash. The options are A. Uniform lamina, B. Symmetric lamina, C. Rectangle lamina, D. Equal lamina. So the answer is uniform lamina. Third question, suppose small m is the mass of the particles, then the weight of the particles from force will become dash. The options are big letter M into W, M into X bar, M into Y bar, and D small m into G. The answer is, here I am talking about particles, not whole lamina. So the answer is small m into G. Fourth question, suppose big letter M is the mass of the whole lamina, then the weight of whole lamina will become, the options A. Big letter M into W, small m into B, option B, small m into G, option C, big letter M into G, and option D, small m into W. The answer will be big letter M into G. Big letter M means is a mass of whole lamina. Fifth question, the position of G is fixed with a reference to OX and OY by finding out dash and dash. The options are A. X and Y, B. X bar and Y bar, C. Both A and B, D. None of the above. We'll see the answer now. The answer is option B. X bar and Y bar. The sixth question is, match the following. Left side you can see the lamina, right side center of gravity. Formula for center of gravity. First lamina is rectangle, second triangle, third circle, and fourth one is cone. The options are A, B, C, D. You can see the answer. We'll see. The answer is option B. For rectangle, the formula to find the CG of the rectangle is, from the base it is option point B, that is breadth by 2. For triangle, from the base it is h by 3. For circle it is diameter by 2, and cone h by 4. So the answer is option B. Next question, the T section is symmetric about dash axis. The option A is YY, the option B is axis YY XX, option C is axis ZZ, and option D is none of the above. The answer is option A, YY axis. And eighth question, find the centroid of unequal angle of 100 into 80 into 20 mm. Unequal angle means it is L section. So the option A, that x bar is equal to 30, y bar is equal to 25. Option B is x bar is equal to 25, y bar is equal to 30. C, x bar is equal to 35 and y bar is equal to 25. And option D is equal to option D, x bar is equal to 25, y bar is equal to 35. For this we need to do some calculation. You guys try at home. Here the L section we are going to split into two rectangles. We need to find out the area for both the rectangle, then find the y1 and y2, then x1 and x2. Substitute all this value to formula, that is x bar and y bar formula. Now the answer will be option D, x bar is equal to 25 and y bar is equal to 35. And the last question, the formula to find the centroid distance of semicircle is dash. The options are 4 pi by 3r, B 4r by 3 pi, and C 3r by 4 pi, and D 3 pi by 4r. We see the answer now. The answer is option B, 4r by 3 pi. And these are some of the assignment the students can try at home. Locate the center of gravity of triangle, rectangle. I already explained this one. Commonly they are going to ask in exam. And determine center of T section 150 to 120 to 20 mm. Find the center of I section. And fourth one is find the center of lamina as shown in figure. You guys try at home. If you have any doubt, let me know. You can mail or send a message. Thank you everyone. Further topics will be covered in subsequent slides. Thank you. Thank you Nandal. Thank you.